Hi friends, let me show you these new motion sensor solar lights that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a pack of 2 lights and they have different features. Let me show you. You get the instructions, mounting screws, mounting brackets, okay, depending on how you want to mount them, the actual lights and the solar panels. You get 16 feet cable for each one, so you can locate the solar panel where you get most of the sun and the lamp where you need it the most, okay? You get these mounting brackets to mount the solar panels wherever you think it's better for the lighting in your patio or your house, and these ones to install the actual lamps, or you can install the lamps with these ground spikes, okay? So you have different ways of doing it. They are IP65 waterproof equipment, so you don't have to worry if it's in a humid or rainy place. And you'll have a bright light with some power, so you don't have to wire them to your actual electric system, okay? You even get a remote to change the mode they will work. You have 3 modes. They have a movement sensor. So the first mode is turning on really bright when they send some motion. The second mode is turning on in a dim way, a lower power when they send some motion, or the third mode is just keeping them on all the time. So depending on what you need, this equipment is great. These lights are really useful. Let's install them and see how they brighten the night. As you can see, they are off, and we are going to walk by them so you can see how they will turn on when they sense our movement. As you can see, they turn on and they give a great lighting to our garden, to our patio. So if you need this kind of lighting in your home, in your office, in any outdoor place, and you want it to be solar with no wiring required, you can use this kind of lamps. They have also a remote. You can change the mode. We are going to put them on always on. It's a mode 3. They will be turned on always, not that bright, a little bit dimmer, but always on. So you will have lighting even if they don't sense any move, okay? So beautiful, beautiful option for your outdoor needs when you're looking for easy to install lighting option that will be charged with the sun. Thank you.